You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftacademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.
Hello and welcome to Lab 25, Creating a Work Item Security Scheme. Let's move ahead. As you can see, I am logged into home.atlassian. Now we'll click on Jira Service Management. Then on top right corner, we are going to click on Settings. And then under Jira Admin Settings, we are going to click on Work Items. Left panel, scroll down. Under Work Item Attributes, we will click on Work Item Security Schemes. We are going to click on Add Work Item Security Scheme and give the name as Demo Work Item Security with the given description, and then we are going to click on Add. Description is given. Add. Now let's move ahead and perform next task. Okay, for that we'll click again on Work Item Security Scheme. Okay, here if you see, this is the Work Item Security Scheme that we have just created. Now we need to click on Security Level. So next to Demo Work Item Security, under Action, we are going to click on Security Level. Security Levels. We are going to give a name over here. Demo Security Level with a quick description. Security level used for testing work item. Click on Add Security. This was the task 2 that we have performed. Now let's move ahead and set default setting level for work item. For that, let's again click on Work Item Security Scheme. And now under Action, next to Demo Work Item Security, in Action, we are going to click on Security Level once again. And here on Edit Work Item Security Level, next to Demo Security Work, we are going to click on Default. Okay, so we have clicked on Default. Now, let's perform the last task of this lab. We are going to add member to a security level. Again, let me repeat this. From home.atlassian, go to Settings, go to Jira Service Management, go to Settings, click on Work Items, scroll down, click on Work Item Security Schemes. Okay, here we need to click on Demo Work Item Security. We are in Edit Work Item Security Levels. Next to Demo Security, in default, if you see default, in bracket if you see, it's default. So Demo Security Level, in bracket it should be default. We are going to click on Add, which is under Action. Click on Add. On Add User, Group, Project Roles to issue security level, we are going to select Space Role. And from drop down, we are going to select Customer. And then scroll down, click on Add. We are going to repeat this step again. Click on Add. And this time, it's going to be for group. From scroll down, select Customer, click on Add. So if you see, we have added both users, space role and group for this specific security level. With this, we have completed lab number 25, which is about creating a work item scheme, adding space, role, and group. That's it for this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.